Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying system compatibility and signing into your Microsoft account. This gets you into the ecosystem quickly. Once done, open the Microsoft Store app and search for Xbox Game Pass. You'll see options for PC or Ultimate. Make sure your payment method is added to avoid interruptions when redeeming a trial or purchasing. If you want cloud on consoles later, choose Ultimate. Otherwise, select PC. This initial setup clears account hurdles, so installation proceeds smoothly. Next, install the Xbox app from the Microsoft Store and sign in with that same Microsoft account so your library syncs. Then open the Game Pass page and pick the exact plan. Read the trial length and recurring price before you hit buy. This prevents surprises. If you have a promo code, click Redeem and enter it now. Make sure to use the code before subscribing. After purchase, the app will display install recommendations. Pick a game to start downloading while your subscription activates. Finally, start the download from the Xbox app and watch files move to the drive you selected. Installations begin immediately for most titles. Once the game is installed, launch it. If it asks for additional updates, allow them. If your subscription isn't visible, go to Account Subscriptions and confirm, then restart the Xbox app to refresh entitlements. For problems, sign out and back in, run Windows Update, or reset the Xbox app. These fixes resolve most access and download errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.